So here we have right now is the Aula Hero 84 HE magnetic switch keyboard, and we're gonna do the unboxing first. All right, and see how it is. We got the manual here, put it to the side, and we got some cover for the keyboard, dust cover. That's nice. We got this for the layout. If you have to change your keycaps, you can look at this, or you can click a photo of this and save it in your phone. Alright, here's also some guide here and some specification written here. Then we got this, I don't know what the hell we call it, strap, I don't know. Alright, we put this right here for now, and there's the main thing, the keyboard itself. And let's put the keyboard here for now, and let's look at it. This is the cable, L-shaped cable, USB type C to USB type A. Alright, and this keyboard is only wired. Alright, there's no wireless option. Some switches, spare switches, that's what you get in the box. I don't know what this is. You also get this. These are, looks like these are screws. Yes, these are definitely screws. And your keycap puller or switch puller, both. That's it in the box. Now let's keep this aside, and without wasting any time, let's unbox. Let's take a look at this keyboard. Alright, okay, just take a look. It's purple. Okay, it's first thing first, this keyboard looks way better in person than it did on videos. Okay, a little sound test here. Alright, let me get my mic closer. That's it for the sound test. So now it's time to check the RGB lighting, and after the unboxing I'm gonna play a game with it, play around in the software, and put the polling rate to 8000 Hertz, and play around with that magnetic whatever that actuation levels, play around with it, and I'm gonna give you an honest opinion. First of all, let's plug this in. It's side mounted. It's actually better for my setup that the USB type C is side mounted, because I like it that way. I hate when things go like from here in the middle. It goes from the side, it looks sneaky, you know. It looks like there is no cable connected or something, because you can hide the cable from the side. It's not a bad thing. Some people think this is the deal breaker, bro. Like, come on. Give me a minute here. Okay, so you can see the lighting here. By the way, there's a sticker here which looks pretty good. I'll keep this on for now. And there you go, the RGB lighting, and that's how it looks with the lighting on from the top. All right, and it looked like this from this side. And talking about flex, it's a little bit of flex. It does feel all right. It looks very high end. But it feels okay though. If this was metal or aluminum, this keyboard would have felt like $300 keyboard, not even lying. If only this was aluminum. Just because it will make the weight heavier. You know, the weight also plays a factor in how expensive or how high quality your product feels, you know. Yes, good thing is there is metal on this side and metal on this side. Okay, so there's nothing else to say here right now. Let's get right to the main thing, that is using this keyboard and playing with it and how good it is in gaming. And let's see if 8000 polling hertz is working or not, or is it a gimmick, or it really does make a difference. I mean, I have another keyboard here that's from Edge. It's AK870, I think, and this has 1000 polling hertz. I'll compare it with this also. By the way, a little sound test between this one. Let's open up Notepad. All right, so this is how it sounds. And this is how the Aula sounds. It's all good. This is more thocky than Aula, but nothing, you know, it's good for the price. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, it's good for the price. All right, guys, I did like maybe 30 minutes gaming session in multiplayer mode, and my findings are quite interesting. Although at first glance you might not feel that much of a difference between our regular mechanical keyboard and this 8000 polling hertz magnetic switch keyboard, but trust me, after you play some games, after 30 minutes, 1 hour in, it does make a difference, especially in mid-range PCs, you know, especially in mid-range and low-end PCs. I don't know, because 8000 polling hertz also takes a toll on the CPU. In mid-range gaming setups, gaming PCs, this is definitely a step up. It's like a CPU upgrade. In high-end computers, this might not be as beneficial, because those high-end rigs already have plenty of power left to handle your inputs correctly. So even on 1000 hertz, those high-end gaming rigs can give you very instant response of your mouse or keyboards, right? But I'm pretty sure even in high-end gaming PCs, this will be beneficial for the player. But this can be noticed more, I guess, on mid-range gaming PCs. I have Intel i5-12400 and Radeon RX 5700 XT. This is as good as a mid-range PC you can make, you know. This is a very good mid-range PC, and I'm noticing very good things, guys. I'm running around here, and the difference is there, and it actually gives you a better experience. What this 8000 polling hertz and magnetic switch helps in is translating your thoughts into your in-game, you know. Like you'll never feel like I just pressed space but I didn't jump, I just pressed slide but my character didn't slide, right? And I just pressed my Q but the ultimate didn't got off. I just switched my gun but it didn't switch. That can happen in 1000 hertz polling rate normal mechanical keyboard on mid-range PCs, alright? Not high ends. That's very unlikely on high-end PC, but on mid-range PC that's very likely. Trust me, guys, because I have experience. I have a mid-range PC, and for me this is worth it. This is basically giving you a high-end PC like responsiveness on a mid-range PC. You don't have to upgrade your CPU and GPU. This is just from a keyboard upgrade you got that. And yes, that's what I would like to say. I'm running out of words here. I don't know what to say. It's good. It's very good. It's like, how do I convince people now? Like, there's, what can I say to convince you guys anything than this? It's just instant, guys. It's just instant. There's no room of any, you know, you just, come on. It's basically translating your brain into the game. That's what it feels like. But remember, when you check it for the first time, you're gonna feel like, oh, this is the same, I don't feel any difference. But to go ahead and play 1 game, 2 game, play 30-minute games, go play a team deathmatch or whatever for 30 minutes, you will realize the difference. Now the game finally feels like it's following your commands, you know. It's following your commands just like how you intended. Before this, I would have like, my character would feel a little sluggish. It wouldn't jump when I would like to jump. It wouldn't slide. All that shit is gone now. And if you pair this with maybe a 4000 Hz optical mouse, then come on, that's a godly combo. That's like, you don't need a CPU GPU upgrade on a mid-range PC if you do that. And I'm very happy with it, and yes, very worth it. That's all I would like to say. Like and sub, over and out.